Welcome to 1646 Tichenor Court here in Dunwoody, Georgia. This stunningly remodeled home is tucked away in a private cul-de-sac with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and almost 5,000 square feet of living space, and also 2 full primary suites with 1 on the main. Take a moment and follow me through. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bright, semi-open floor plan with beautifully refinished hardwood floors and plenty of natural light. To your right, there's a cozy, formal living area that's perfect for a sitting room, library, or whatever suits your style. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and an elegant range hood. It flows seamlessly into the family room where you'll find one of the home's 3 fireplaces, a perfect spot to gather and unwind after a long day. Just off the kitchen, there's a convenient mudroom and access to the oversized 2-car garage. The main level also features the first of 2 luxurious primary suites. This one's a true retreat with a spa-inspired ensuite bath that includes a steam shower, soaking tub, dual vanities, and a massive dressing room, and its own fireplace. Moving upstairs, the second primary suite offers another private ensuite bath and lots of space to enjoy, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. 2 massive bedrooms share a spacious Jack and Jill bathroom, and a smaller room makes a perfect office or hobby space. Step outside and you'll love the outdoor spaces this home has to offer. A patio just outside the family room and kitchen is perfect for dining or relaxing. And the stepping stone pathway leads to a cozy fire pit area great for entertaining or enjoying a quiet night under the stars. Thank you for checking out Tichenor Court. With its elegant design and 2 primaries with 1 on the main, this home has so much to offer, and it's ready for you to make it your own.